As we know, TBC offers and supports a multitude of workflows, all the way from processing baselines to working with mobile mapping data. To support these workflows, the TBC team over time has created resources that are spread out through the community page all the way to the YouTube channel. Well, in this video, we'll be going over where and how to find the support document created by the TBC team that lists all the resources in a centralized location so that we don't have to spend countless hours searching for these specific documents. First, let's go to TBC's webpage via the following link. Once we're here, we can scroll to the bottom towards the product information section. Here, we can select the TBC Resources PDF presentation. The first part of this document covers where and what the TBC resources are, starting from the TBC Geospatial page, covering the tutorials, YouTube channel, power hours, community pages, all the way to TBC Retrieve page. Then, we can find each TBC topic and all their resources sorted. If you were wondering what the resources are for network adjustment, we simply need to navigate to that topic in the document. And as you can see, we have the tutorials, power hours, YouTube videos, and tips listed here. And to access any of these resources, we simply have to click on the link and we are taken to their locations. As TBC grows in topics and resources, we will be making sure to update this document by adding in these new additions. So, the next time you're looking for resources to help you out with TBC, make sure to check this document out. Check out our other videos and see you next time.